Hey everybody, do you know that you can turn your articles into videos and make up to $500 a day? Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn your articles into a video using AI softwares. YouTube automation is the next big trend that you should not miss. In front of you, I will turn my article into a video in less than 5 minutes, but you need to see the full video because it is going to be very useful for you if you are interested in content creation. Content creation can be used for multiple things. First, you can run your own faceless YouTube channel and make it a cash cow. Second, you can become a social media influencer. By doing so, you can make money online and create digital assets. So, say bye-bye to your next boring job. There are many ways to start a YouTube channel. One way is to run a faceless YouTube channel. This means that you will not be visible in your videos. You don't have to show your face and yet build an audience and make money through it. YouTube has become the standard platform for video creators and consumers alike. There are a lot of content creators on YouTube who have managed to make a living online just from making videos. But it is not as easy as it looks like. One needs to take a lot of factors into account in order to start your own YouTube channel and become successful. YouTube videos take a lot of time and effort to produce. We all know that. That is the biggest obstacle for any content creator. So here I am going to reveal the secrets of YouTube, and following this you can make multiple videos in very limited time. Most importantly, I will teach you exactly 3 steps in which you can turn your article into a video and make money online. But before we start, if you are watching this video for the first time and are new to our channel, I advise you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Liking, commenting and subscribing to our channel will make you eligible to win our flagship YouTube program for free. So don't miss out this opportunity. Let's start. So there are 2 steps. A, you have to create a script. I have already created a script that I will use for today's video, and the second step is turning this article into a video. The software that turns your article into a video is called Invideo.com. Now that you know the name of the software, I would suggest you to stick around till the end so that you know exactly how to use this software. To get started, I suggest you to first click in the link in the description below and visit the page of the software called Invideo.com. If you sign up on Invideo through my link below, you will be eligible for a free account and will have access to several new templates that are yet to be published. You can start out with a free plan, which allows you to do a lot of things. As you can see, the kind of templates that you can access and the videos that you can make from this. But obviously, since it is a free account, there will be a small watermark on it, and that should be totally fine. But luckily, if you start with a free plan, it saves you from a lot of laborious work that goes into for creating a video. In case you want to buy a paid version, you will have access to more than 4,500 templates. You'll get access to stock media, library, photos, audio, graphics, animation, and etc. etc. But I would suggest you to start just with the free plan, and in case if you like it and want to use it even further and you are serious about content creation, then obviously you can go ahead with the paid plan. Now this is the most important step. Listen to me carefully, and if possible, stop this video right now, get your pen and notes and take notes right away. Once you have registered with Invideo, the first thing that you will want to do is use this option, text to video. To make a YouTube video, you need to pick the size 16:9. Invideo offers number of pre-made video templates. Browse them and find the one which you like. So once you hover around any particular template, you will see the preview, and in that preview you will know how the slides looks like in this particular template. You can play around with multiple templates, understand their preview and select the one which you like. Now that you have selected your template, Invideo will prompt you to enter scripts. So there are three options in which you can enter your script. For today's video, since I already have a script, I'm gonna use that script. By the way, I just want to bring this to your notice that the script that I'm going to use right now, I created that script using an AI software. It took me less than 5 minutes to create that script, and if you are interested to know how I did that, I am sharing a link in the description box of that video. You can always go ahead and watch that video if you are interested on blogging or content creation. Now that our article has been fetched, we can click this option that says auto summarize to create a nice automatic summary of all the sentences and the scripts that I have put in here. So let's click auto summarize, and you can now see that one of those sections has an introduction, they have a title, they have a header, followed by different videos which are aligned to the content that I have given to this Invideo. In less than 3 minutes, it has created 30 scenes for us, completely in an automated fashion. That is the power of YouTube automation. Interestingly, each of these scenes will be very effective for me to create a video. In the past, it has taken us hours to create a video, if not days. But using these AI softwares, it helps us to create content at scale. So once we have these videos, I would personally advise you to go through each particular section, see whether the content is aligned to the video that Invideo has suggested. In case you want to make changes, you just have to look on the left side, pick up different videos which are aligned to your content, or even better, you just have to go to search bar, search the particular keyword that you're looking for, and Invideo will give you a list of options out of which you can pick any. Do this for each and every section, and voila, your video is good to go. I am using a lot of AI softwares to create content for my blog, for my YouTube channel, and mixing of multiple AI softwares allows me to create content at scale, which is really helpful. In case you're interested on content creation, I am sharing a link in the description box about a free course, and in this course you will learn how to write your scripts, how to turn your scripts into nice videos, and most importantly, how to optimize your YouTube channel. It is a great resource for anyone who is interested in content creation, whether they want to do it for running your own YouTube channel or creating content on different social media platforms. Content creators is the next big thing, and if you're watching this video, I am very sure that you are interested in content creation. So hit that button.